Hello friends, today's topic 22 stocks which went up in spite of market crash. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The last 1 week Indian market have been weak, especially mid and small cap stocks. Nifty 50 and other indices have given negative returns for this 1 week period. However, a small list of stocks have managed to move opposite the overall trend have given positive returns. In technical analysis, it is said that if a stock is not falling even when the overall markets are falling, then it must be supported by some technical factors and there is a good chance that it may rally when the overall market recovers. So it's a good idea to do some technical analysis, study on some stocks which are being resilient when most stocks are falling. Last 1 week performance of indices. Nifty 50 minus 1.6%, Nifty mid cap 100 minus 4.7%, Nifty small cap 100 minus 6.1%. Positive returns of Nifty 50 stocks. ITC 3.4% up to TCS 2.7% up. Nestle India 2.4% up. Asian Paints 2% up. Infosys 1.9, Bajaj Finance 1.5, HCL Technologies 1.1% up. Now positive returns in Nifty next 50 stocks. Trend 4.2% up. Colgate Palmolive 4.1% up. Cholamandalam Investment 3.5. Interglobe Aviation 3.1. Zydus Life Sciences 3. Info Edge 1.7. Avenue Supermart 1.6% up. Positive returns of Nifty Mid Cap 100 stocks. Policy Bazaar went up by 5.7%. Fortis Healthcare 4.4%. Poonawalla FinCorp 4.2%. AU Small Finance 2.3%. Rail Vikas Nigam 1.8% up. Positive returns of Nifty Small Cap 100 stocks. Intellect Design Arena 7.8% up. Graphite India 3.5% up. Radico Khaitan 3% up. Apart from these stocks, there are few stocks which are given less than 1% positive returns the last 1 week and a huge list of stocks which are given negative returns. Study some of these stocks based on technical analysis, and if and when they satisfy a criteria for short-term investment, you may explore it. Now, under the video, here is a question. For short-term, which technical indicator or indicators do you use? Type in the comment section. If you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.